Hello everybody. If you want to read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Short story 212, The Curious Cat and the Friendly Dog. Once upon a time, in a small village nestled among rolling hills, there lived a curious cat named Whiskers. Whiskers had sleek black fur and bright green eyes. Every day he explored the narrow streets, peeking into gardens and investigating hidden corners. One sunny morning, as Whiskers strolled along the cobblestone path, he noticed a friendly dog named Max sitting by the bakery. Max was a golden retriever with a wagging tail and a warm smile. His fur glowed in the sunlight, and he loved to greet everyone who passed by. "Hello, Whiskers," Max barked cheerfully. "How's your day going?" Whiskers tilted his head. "Why do you always seem so happy, Max?" Max chuckled. "Well, my friend, life is full of little joys. The smell of freshly baked bread, the warmth of the sun on my back, and the company of good friends. Those are the things that make me happy." Whiskers blinked. "But what about adventure? Don't you ever wonder what lies beyond our village?" Max's tail thumped against the ground. Adventure. That's where you and I differ, my feline friend. You seek mystery and intrigue, while I find contentment in the familiar." Whiskers couldn't resist. "What if we explore together? Beyond the hills, across the meadows. There must be more out there." Max grinned. "Perhaps one day, Whiskers. But for now, let's enjoy the simple pleasures. Come, let's visit Mrs. Thompson's garden. She always leaves out treats for us." And so Whiskers and Max trotted to Mrs. Thompson's garden. The scent of blooming flowers filled the air, and a plate of fish-shaped biscuits awaited them. They nibbled on the treats, their tails swaying in rhythm. As the days passed, Whiskers and Max became unlikely companions. Whiskers taught Max to climb trees, and Max showed Whiskers how to fetch sticks. They shared stories, the cat's tales of moonlit adventures, and the dog's anecdotes about chasing butterflies. One rainy afternoon they sat under the bakery's awning, watching raindrops dance on the cobbled street. Whiskers sighed. "Max, do you ever wonder about far-off lands, about distant oceans and towering mountains?" Max leaned closer. "Whiskers, sometimes the greatest adventures are right here, in the moments we share. The taste of rain, the warmth of friendship, it's all part of the journey." Whiskers gazed at Max, realizing that perhaps Max was onto something. Maybe adventure wasn't just about distant horizons. Maybe it was about finding magic in everyday moments. And so Whiskers and Max continued their explorations. The bakery, the garden, and the cozy fireplace at the village inn. They listened to the rustling leaves and the distant laughter of children. One day as the sun dipped behind the hills, Whiskers whispered, "Max, you were right. Adventure isn't only in the unknown. It's in the wag of your tail, the twinkle in your eyes." Max nuzzled Whiskers. "And in your curiosity, my dear friend." And so the curious cat and the friendly dog revelled in their simple adventures, knowing that sometimes the greatest stories unfold right where you are. Vocabulary notes. Nestled. Verb, to be comfortably and securely situated within something, like a bird's nest in a tree. Example, the village was nestled among the hills. Cobblestone. Noun, a type of pavement made of small rounded stones or pebbles set in a hard surface. Example, the cat tiptoed across the uneven cobblestone path. Retriever. Noun, a type of dog breed known for its ability to retrieve objects, often used in hunting or as a friendly companion. Example, Max the golden retriever loved playing fetch. Contentment, noun, a feeling of satisfaction or happiness with one's current situation. Example, Max found contentment in simple pleasures. Anecdotes, noun, short interesting stories or accounts of real-life events. Example, Max shared amusing anecdotes about chasing butterflies. Rustling, verb, the soft, gentle sound of leaves or paper moving. Example, Whiskers heard the rustling of leaves in the breeze. Cozy, adjective, warm, comfortable and snug. Example, the fireplace at the village inn felt cozy on a chilly evening. Revelled, verb, to take great pleasure or delight in something. Example, Whiskers revelled in the beauty of the sunset. Story written by Copilot AI. Images created by Copilot AI. To read all the stories in full, please go to www.steveuk.blog. Thank you. Hello, this is Steve. If you enjoyed the story, please would you take the time to leave a meaningful comment and click on the like icon. If you want to know when the next story has been uploaded, please click on the notify bell icon to be notified. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel and tell your English learning friends so they can benefit too. Thank you.